Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Crowd. In this video, I am going to discuss about data types in Python. So without wasting any time, let's come on the point. So basically, we have a total 6 data types in Python. First one is a numeric, second is a list, third one is a tuple, fourth one is a string, fifth one is a set, and last one is a dictionary. So let's discuss each and every data type. So basically first one is a numeric data type. Okay, so what is a numeric data type? Numeric data type, it means it consider a number, or we can say it is a consider a integer. Okay, so basically if we have this type of data like 1 2 3 4, so this is called a numeric data type. Okay, because it consider a numbers, it is numbers. In this it's just like a integer, we can say integer, it denominated by integer. So this 1 2 3 4, it is called a integer and this denominated by integer. If we have a values like 1.2, 2.3, then it will be denominated by float. If we have a value represented by float class and it is a real number with floating point representation, and it is specified by a decimal point. Okay, so we have a here decimal point which is a 1.2, 2.3. So this will be denominated by float. And last one is a complex number. So it's just like a 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3j, or we can say another is 3 plus 4a. So this is called a complex number. A complex number is represented by a complex class and it is specified as a real part or imaginary part. Okay, so which is like a 2 plus 3j or 3 plus 4a. This is all about a numeric data type. Our next one is a list data type. So what is a list? We can say if I have a list of like this, my list. So basically list is denominated by this sign. If we have this sign, then it will be a list. And if I will write here 1 2 3, so this will be my integer list of integers, we can say list of integers. And if I have a same list is like this, but I will add here hello world. Okay, so I have added here hello world in this list. Now it will called a mixed data types because here is also integers and this word. So it will called a list of mixed data types. So this is our list. If given any value or any numbers in this sign, then it will be called a list. And next thing is a list is a mutable. List is a mutable. If we have written any list and after executing the code we can edit it, so basically it is a immutable, so we can edit. Okay, we can change the list. Our third one is a tuple. So basically tuple is denominated by this sign. So basically tuple is denominated by this sign, and the tuple is immutable, we can't change the tuple. So basically this is a immutable, we can't change after executing the code. And the tuple is an ordered sequence of items, same as a list, but there is only one difference, which is a tuple are immutable. Tuples once created cannot be modified. Tuples are used to write a protect data or are usually faster than list as it cannot change dynamically. Okay, so it is defined within a parenthesis, which is I have already wrote here. So where items are separated by commas. Okay, Next one is our fourth one is a string. So basically, what is a string? By a word we can know string is just like a sequence of characters. So if I write here like hello friend, so this is my string. Okay, and this is a string is a sequence of characters. Python supports a Unicode characters. Generally strings are represented by either single or double quotes, and the string is also immutable. We can't change a string without executing the code, and it allow duplicate members. If we write any duplicate values, then it will allow, there is a no any problem during it executing the code. So this is basically we can say string is a sequence of characters. Okay, our fifth one is a set. Fifth one is a set. So what is a set? Set is basically mutable. We can change the set after executing the code, and set is denominated by this sign. And if I will write like set, just a second, if I will write hello, so this is our set. Okay, and set can store a integer, string, tuple, but not a list and dictionary. Set can store integer, string, tuple, but can't list and a dictionary. Dictionary basically denominated by dict. Okay, so basically set is denominated by this sign, curly braces, and set is mutable. We can change a set. For example, if I write like a is equal to 237 any value, so this is our set. Next characteristics is a dictionary. So what is a dictionary? How it denominated by? So there is a sign is same as a set. So dictionary is also mutable. We can change dictionary after executing the code, and dictionary is denominated by this sign. If I will write here, so basically we need to note down one thing is dictionary have a one value and key. So if I will write here hello, then I have a value of this like 1. So this is a dictionary. If I will write only hello, then it will be become a set, and if I write the value here, then it will be my dictionary. So this is my dictionary, and we have values like key and value. So here is what is a key. So basically here key is equal to hello, and value is equal to 1. So these all are our data types of Python: numeric, list, tuple, string, set, and dictionary. So these all are our data types of Python. Thank you everyone.